Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard. I hope you're doing well today. I have a fun project to share. I had such a fun time in making this envelope flip book, so I wanted to go ahead and share that with you. First, I'd like to show you the paper pad that I used to make it, and really just made a tiny dent in it, so you get quite a deal from those paper pads. One of them is this Girls Rule one, and I love the colors in here. I love a good yellow. It just has some beautiful colors, yellows and blacks and pinks and mermaids and pineapples and whatnot. And you can see my scraps here in the beginning, and really outside of the papers I made 4 envelopes, just like an 8x8 size, and then used my envelope punch board to make so they turn out to be close to 5.5 by 4.25-ish size. And I have a ton of paper left, so I could go through many projects with this, so quite a deal. I had gotten this half off. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you this. If you like flip books, this is one way to do it. Of course there are other ways as well, but go ahead and start on the front here. I made a belly band out of one of the papers, and the paper's double-sided, which is perfect because that way it takes away some of the work for you. I made this flower out of a spellbinder's die, and use some gold glimmer paper there and put a little black and white twine middle center, I guess you could say. And so that's my belly band. So that comes off. I just stapled it in the back because I like the staple-y. I have some other staples in here too, so that goes well with that. So fun. And then it says "Get it, girl." So epic. So this could be many things. You could stash as far as like, what do you do with these, right? I've had people ask me that before. What do you do with this stuff? You can put gift cards in here and money throughout that people can have fun finding. If it's a crafty friend, you can put crafty goodies in here. All sorts of things you could do, and yeah, they're super fun to make. So anyway, so here's the front cover. It says "So epic, get it, girl." It kind of has like a girl boss theme, obviously, like the title. This is another Spellbinder's die, and I made this out of crepe paper. Hopefully you can see the dimension on that, and a little brad in the center. So then it opens, and it opens again. Okay, so that's 3 of my envelopes, and then I have a 4th one on the back here. I'll show you that. You could put them all 4 in a row. I just decided to do it this way. So front cover, when you open it up, you see this. It's I used one of the die cuts from there that says "I am really busy." Because that's me. I'm always busy. Yeah. I made a little tulle pink bow. Just a super simple, tied it in a bow. So that page is pretty simple because everything else kind of gets, a little decorated. Across the page from there is this little pocket die from, I don't know, eBay, I guess. It's a little pocket die that makes this fun little top, and then it has tabs, and you glue it and fold it up. So here's a place that you could stick a gift card. I'll show you the pocket. So there's a pocket there. You could stick tea bags in here. You could put little embellishments and things and tuck it in there, but I just love that yellow and black and the pink. Okay, what I want to show you, it's like, where do we go? That's what's fun about these. They're kind of all these nooks and crannies that you can find. So from this envelope, we pull out a little journal, or they could use it as note-taking. They could use it for whatever. So it's sewn down the middle, just super simple, but I rounded the corners, and I love that black and blue and white and the little pineapples. So you could write a note in here if you're gifting it to someone. You could use it as a little shopping list. They could tuck it in their purse and use it for whatever, but everyone needs some note paper, right? So we tuck that back in. That's fun. And then we open it up like this. It says "This girl can." Okay, so I'm really busy, but this girl can. And I stapled a couple of the little flags that came in the paper pad. And I have inside here, this is a Sizzix die, a little mini file folder. So cute. And again, this is another spot. You could put a little gift card right there and tuck that in there. So I said do it now, because this is, again, all about getting things done. little banner I just cut out by hand. I used a flower. I'm not sure what that's from, but it's a little tiny die. And I put some little sequins on there. These are Tim Holtz, whatever they call those chit-chat stickers or whatever. But I love this. This is a Sizzix big die. And it's so much fun to make these little file folders. They're just perfect. And then you can tuck that right in there. This middle portion here I hand sewn with some embroidery floss, some crepe paper on there. It says Inspire Dreams Explore, with a little tag banner there, I guess you could say, with a little bow. And then in here I have, what do I have to remember, because I was moving things around, a couple tags. I'm going to punch some holes in those yet and put some string on there. But so I just took some cut aparts from the collection and then just made little tag corners with them. So you could write a little note on here. People could tuck photos in here. There's one more thing in here, let's see. And a little, like, another cut apart here. You could jot down little notes, and this could be where your message goes. But just tuck those inside. A crafty friend could use those. People could put them on gifts that they're giving. So we did that. Okay, so then you close it, and then the back here is the last envelope. I put a little piece of Velcro here to keep it closed. So it's like this, and it opens up, so you can kind of see my envelope is turned that way. And inside, I've got, if I can let it loose there. Oops, got caught. I'll have to fix that. A little tag I just kind of, or a pocket I just made. I just basically took a strip of paper, folded it up, rounded the corners, and used a circle punch to do that. And then I put do, because that kind of goes with our get it done theme. And then I cut these out with some dies in my stash. This is a Stampin' Up! Doily. I heart punch from the paper in the pad. And then I stuck a little tea bag in there. You could put a few in there, a piece of chocolate, another gift card, tuck some cash in here, any number of things, little pictures. So many things you could do with this, and that's all there is to it. But it's kind of fun. It's fun to explore. You know, it has textural elements about it, and I love the colors. Very, very springy, summery, and bright. Very happy, I guess. If somebody, this would be a good one if somebody's maybe discouraged and whatnot. Maybe they're self-employed, and they, you know, it can be daunting. You know, when you're the person doing everything, it can be very tiring. And then you have illness and you have other things going on. So I sound like I'm speaking from experience here. So this is a very cheery, sort of encouraging thing to gift somebody. So that yes, we're busy, but we're getting things done. Get it, girl. So epic. And I just loved how that turned out. And then the little belly band goes on there. Yeah. So if you want a tutorial about how to do the base, I can do that. I didn't do it because it was one of those things I was sort of playing and did it, and then I just wanted to share the project with you guys if you like that. I just love the colors. So if you want to get that paper pad, it's called Girls Rule, and it was at Joann's. It's from Die Cuts with a View, DC, WV. Tons of paper. It's good quality paper. It's always a bummer when you get paper and you fold it and it breaks, and you can see I just so it did not do that. It's holding up really well. It's very nice and sturdy, good quality paper. So check that paper pad out. If you like this, go ahead and give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. That way you will be in the loop for new videos and giveaways. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you have a great day.